Hey guys, hey! So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys this Valentine's Day look. So I'm gonna start off with the LA Girl Super Stain, I guess, 24-hour lip color. I'm gonna put that on, and now I realized it is not showing in the camera. I'm sorry for that. So awkward. So yeah, I just put that on. I have a thing where I just don't like it when my lips are really dry before I put makeup on, so I'm gonna do that. I love this color. It is amazing. Honestly, I picked it up thinking it's red, but it's pink. Then I'm gonna take my foundation from LA Girl, and honestly, I love this foundation so much. I'm using a mermaid brush to spread out the foundation all over my face. It is amazing. Like, I love this foundation, but it's really expensive too. So I'm just gonna go back to the lip stain part, and I'm gonna put the lip balm on. I guess it's just like a clear lip balm consistency, but yeah, anyway, I'm gonna put that on. It took me a while to put that on, but anyway, this is amazing, the lip balm. So I'm gonna go back to my foundation and just blend it because it was not blended on carefully. You know, whatever I say doesn't make sense, but yeah, anyway, you can actually see by looking through the videos, obviously. So I'm gonna put that on my neck as well, because obviously you want your neck and your face to match. So I'm gonna do that. I know I look really weird trying to put this on. One of the reasons why I don't put foundation on, because I look really weird when I do it, and it takes me like 10 minutes. There's me still putting on foundation and making sure it's blended. I've been using this makeup, not this makeup, but like this mermaid brush for a while. It's pretty good for foundation. So that is how the first layer looks. I personally would prefer more coverage, so I'm gonna take another 2 pumps of the foundation, and I'm gonna basically just pat out all over the areas that I want to cover, which is normally my chin, my cheeks, and my forehead, because currently, you know, I'm having like one of those days. If you're a girl, you would know. So like, obviously I'm breaking out right now, so I would not want people to see that. And also, like, I'm getting so many pimples. I'm so breathless. So I'm gonna fast forward that as well, because obviously you guys are not here to watch me put foundation on for 1000 years. So next on, I'm gonna put on the Maybelline 24 Hours Long Stay Concealer. So I'm gonna put this on under my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, and on my upper lip and my chin. Obviously those are the areas that you would want to brighten up and, you know, conceal if you have to. So I'm gonna go and do that with my mermaid brush. I know I use the same brush for my foundation and my concealer, because I just don't like using different brushes, because it's really annoying for me. So I prefer to use like the same brushes for the same things, like almost the same things. I'm gonna take my finger and blend it, because honestly I liked it way more blended. And also the foundation brush, I don't know why, it was not that great today. So I'm gonna bake. Oh my god, I'm gonna look really weird. So I'm gonna bake under my eyes, on the side of my cheeks, and on my forehead as well. Those are the areas, and on top of my nose as well. But those are the areas that I have so much trouble like putting powder on, because I get really oily. Then I'm gonna take my foundation powder and just like dust off everything that was on my eyelid, because I'm gonna do my eye makeup right now. And I'm gonna set my eyelid on with the foundation powder, because obviously you would not want it to be wet. But I'm now gonna do my eyebrows before I do my eye makeup. I'm gonna take the Thin Lizzy eyeliner. It is the eyeliner. I like using the brown side because it matches my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do that. Honestly, I really don't fill my eyebrows in because I don't see the need. I just need to you know, fill in the beginning parts of my eyebrows because I have been like kind of lacking on the hairs in the beginning part. But yeah, otherwise I think I'm good. I do not have a full like brow routine because I'm not really into eyebrows a lot. But yeah, I just like to fix them and make them look even, because if I won't, then they will look really uneven and disturbing. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna obviously fast forward everything because it took me like quite a few like minutes to do this. So I'm gonna move on to my eye makeup, and I'm gonna use Melrose from ColourPop. I love ColourPop. They're amazing. Their eyeshadows are amazing. Their formula is amazing. I'm gonna take a eyeshadow brush and put this color on my crease, and I'm gonna go and blend this with the blending brush because it has a very harsh line, and obviously you would not want harsh lines on your eyeshadows. These colors work perfectly with fingers. The color payoff is amazing. And then I'm gonna use As You Wave by ColourPop again. I love ColourPop. Please sponsor me. This is a very like goldy orangey shade with like glimpse of gold in it. I use this all over my eyelid. It is so pretty. This eyeshadow is so amazing. I love it. And I'm basically using my fingers and putting this all over my eyes. Then you know, the blending brush that I used, somehow one of the brush, like one of the fluffy parts, got onto my eyes. But yeah, I took that off camera. Then I'm gonna take a brown eyeliner and I'm gonna line my eyes. For this look, I won't be using liquid eyeliner because I suck at liquid eyeliner, and I did not want to cover up the perfect color on my eyes. Then I'm gonna take mascara. I don't know what brand is. Oh yeah, you can totally see that in the camera, but I can't find it right now. So I'm gonna coat my mascara. I'm gonna coat my lashes with like 2 coats of mascaras. I'm not really that big on mascaras. I only have like 3 mascaras in my makeup collection. But yeah, I would not, like personally, I would not wear mascaras. But for this look, I used mascara. I used mascara because like obviously you want like eyeshadows to be popping with like mascaras and like full lashes. Normally I would not go for it, but anyway, so I'm gonna take the Miss Cosmetics powder brush and just like dust off all the white powder that I use for baking. Then I'm gonna take the Smooth Minerals powder and I'm just gonna powder my face like I usually would. Then I'm gonna take the LA Girl blush in the shade Just Natural and put that on as my blush. Obviously, just like I'm gonna smile and put it on the apples on my cheeks. Yeah, that's a tip, but it's common sense as well. But yeah, anyway, then I'm gonna take the highlighter. I'm gonna highlight my face with the Beauty Creations highlighter. I love this palette. It is amazing. Like, I'm not even kidding. It is amazing. It is bomb. So I'm gonna open that. Wow, it took me quite a while to open it. Then I'm gonna point to the color that I'm using. It is a champagne color. So I'm gonna put that on my cheek, like on top of my cheek where my cheekbones are. And oh my god, look at that highlight. Look at that highlight. It is popping. I'm gonna put some on top of my, like on the tip of my nose, underneath my, on top of my lips. and I'm gonna build that because this look was amazing. I loved the highlight. I also have a thing where I love highlighting the underneath of my jaws. I don't know, I'm super weird. Then I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Setting Spray and just spray it on like I usually would. Yeah. So this is it to the Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.